Hunger does not take a day off, and in Fairfax County, many families rely on the strength of their community to help keep food on the table. You can be part of that solution by supporting Fairfax County's Stuff the Bus food drive. Mark your calendar for Saturday, March 14th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. During those 5 hours, fast tran buses will be stationed at grocery stores across Fairfax County, collecting donations that go directly to local food pantries. Residents are encouraged to stop by any participating location and drop off non-perishable food items or grocery gift cards to help stock shelves for families in need. To view the complete list of donation sites and the most needed items, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/stuffthebus.